Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this amazing Breville kettle. It has adjustable temperature settings. Let me show you exactly why I love it. Guys, usually with things like this, you need to compromise when you want style or function. This Breville kettle has combined both. You have the variety of different temperature settings that can customize it to exactly the temperature you want, whether it be for your oolong tea, black tea, or just you need straight boil. Another thing done really well is its capability to pour. Some kettles look great but aren't functional. This one pours so nicely, no drips, no spilling, and just absolutely smooth to use. I just love watching the little bubbles come up. I've never seen a kettle quite as gorgeous as this one. And I'm not gonna lie, I love having it on display. Just watching those little bubbles dance around, oh my goodness, it just puts me in some sort of zen mode while I wait for it to boil. And it's not true what they say. A watched kettle definitely does boil. And as you can see here, it does it in fabulous style. It is super easy to use, and I really love the keep warm function. I don't know how many times I've boiled a kettle, wandered off, and forgot that I even boiled it. This one will keep it at the nice temperature for you. Full boil is really impressive to watch too. So I think we can agree, guys, this is one fabulous looking kettle, but that's just my point of view.